Introducing the new ProTeam GoFit series of vacuums from Emerson. With GoFit, you're ready to vacuum with optimized filtration. Our Pro-level filtration system provides 4 levels of filtration, reducing allergens and asthma triggers. Level 1. An Intercept microfilter captures soil, dust, and pollutants. It also prevents the growth of mold and bacteria and addresses unpleasant odors. Available with an open filter to empty and reuse or a closed top filter to better contain debris. Level 2. A washable microcloth filter which catches fine particulate and provides a secure vacuum seal. Level 3. A washable dome filter that collects even more allergens, protecting the motor from superfine dust. Finally, Level 4. A post-motor filter made with HEPA media. Like the other levels, this 4th one also captures small particulates and carbon dust. And unique to our GoFit 6 Plus vacuum is the full bag indicator. Now, you'll always know when to replace your filter. And to do that, don't forget to always bring your harness down. Breathe easy with the ProTeam GoFit series. To learn more about our filtration, visit proteam.emerson.com/GoFit.